We're all internet marketers, right? So we can speak freely for just a moment because there's a disturbing trend I've noticed recently and I'd like to address it. And that is internet marketers creating ebooks and webinars and videos and complete training programs that urge you to stop watching videos, reading ebooks, and buying courses. Seriously, I don't want to name any names, but the other day I watched a 2-hour video. 2 hours explaining the importance of consuming less information. There are people creating massive amounts of digital content explaining how we all need to consume less digital content. Stop consuming and start creating. They're literally making videos and books telling us to stop watching videos and reading books. I can't decide who's dumber, them for making this stuff or me for buying it. You know what else I find annoying? It's this disclaimer at the front end of every webinar where they remind us these results aren't typical. I made $32,000 and bought a Lamborghini in the 19 seconds it took you to open up your Facebook page and click on my ad. But these results aren't typical. No shit, Sherlock. I know they're not typical. That's why I'm here. If I wanted typical results, I'd just keep doing what I was doing. I'd look in the mirror or in my bank account. I'm quite familiar with typical results. The reason I dropped the $997 on your coaching program is so I can start seeing some not typical results. And why is it always a 7? Where did that pricing trend start? $47, $67, $97, $997. Like that $3 extra is going to break the bank? What platinum mastermind group came up with this principle? What do we charge for this thing? How about $50? Whoa, way too much. Okay, how about $45? Oh, what am I, a charity? How about $47? Perfect. And then there's this other trend that I see everyone doing now. They're telling me to unsubscribe from other people's email lists so I can completely focus on my business. They say stuff like, I want you to go through your email and unsubscribe from every other list except this one, so you can fully concentrate on your training. What they really mean is, I want you to completely unsubscribe from every other list except this one because I want you to buy my offers and not everyone else's. Now, the irony there being, if I didn't subscribe to anyone else's list, I never would have seen your offer in the first place. And I'm pretty sure your JV partners don't appreciate you telling clients they sent to you to go and unsubscribe from their lists. I'm not going to do that with my offer. In fact, I'm not going to do any of these things with my offer. I'm not going to tell you to unsubscribe from other lists. I'm not going to show you atypical results. I'm not going to charge you some random number that ends with a 7. And I'm not going to create a ton of content telling you to stop consuming so much content. I'm not just going to create a new shiny object that urges you to avoid shiny object syndrome. That's why I'm not offering you an ebook. Nope. I'm not offering you a video. I'm not offering you a membership site or a training course. No Facebook groups or private YouTube channels or 12 module continuity programs. Nothing at all that is going to waste any more of your time. And I'm not even going to send you a free copy of my book if you promise to pay the shipping, which happens to be, wait for it, $9.97. No, none of that. In fact, I'm basically offering you nothing. You already have enough stuff. So for the low price of only $20, you can have my fantastic product. And there's no scarcity to this offer either. It's not just available for 3 days. It's not for the first 100 people, and the price will not go up by hundreds of dollars at the stroke of midnight. You can get this product, which again is basically nothing, today, tomorrow, or next year if you want. I am always happy to take your $20 and give you nothing in return. So click the link in the description and get immediate access right now. Look, it's not even a bit.ly link. It's my actual link. I'm such a rebel. Oh, and by the way, there ain't no free trial, there ain't no refunds, there ain't no 60-day money-back guarantee, none of that. And don't even talk to me about bonuses. I don't even really have a product. How the hell am I going to have bonuses? Anyway, go ahead, click the link right now and get immediate access, and I'll see you inside.